people, welcome back to our channel Technologic, and today we are coming back with an interesting, actually I got a pixel and I'm so excited to tell you about the amazing feature that is got, which is Magic Eraser. And you will be mesmerized to see the wonders that it does, and definitely it worth it. So let's get straight to the magic without wasting any of your time. You simply need to go into your photos, select any particular picture that is actually photobombed by a object, anything, a human, extra, any XYZ things. In my case, I have a picture of a deer and a bottle that you see, and I'm definitely gonna get rid of this bottle. I'll click on the edit option that you see. Under edit, I have an option which is tools. When I click on tools, I have a magic eraser option. Under magic eraser, I'll just gonna circle a brush to erase this particular bottle. I'm just gonna circle it. I'm trying to remove it so that my deer looks happy and picture clean. So now I see, yes, it is removed. Whatever little bit is left, I'm trying to get rid all of it. Now that's the power of magic eraser. My deer looks so cute now. I'm just gonna save and copy this particular picture, and now you see my deer is so happy. Do like, share, subscribe our channel, and I hope you like it.